Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to turn off notifications on lock screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, lock your phone and see in the lock screen. There are two notifications showing. Okay, YouTube and other notifications are showing. If you would like to turn off lock screen notification, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to notifications, and here click on lock screen notifications and turn off this button so that no notifications will be showing on lock screen. In this screen, in home screen only it is showing, okay, notifications are showing, but in lock screen, put lock your phone, this is lock screen, no notification is showing because it is turned off. In this way you can easily turn off lock screen notifications in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.